What's up, good people? What's up, good people? It's your boy, Dr. Leroy McKenzie Jr., the Impact Builder. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be my neighbor? I know y'all too young. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all too young for that. I know y'all too young for Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. But welcome to the Brand New Suite. It's your boy, Dr. Leroy McKenzie Jr., the Impact Builder. The Brand New Suite is a place where entrepreneurs come to reclaim their time and be so organized and focused on maintaining connections with your family, with your friends, and with those that you serve. That cycle that we're in here in the Entrepreneur Suite is where we come to be able to make each other better, where we make ourselves better. The goal is always to be better by the end of the year than we were at the beginning of the year. That's always the goal, always the aim, and to keep the doors open. If we ain't doing nothing else, we working to make sure that we keep your doors open. So keep that in mind as you listen, as you hear, as you listen to the replay, as you go to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, hop on over to the YouTube channel after you listen here. You can go over get all of this phenomenal content. Yes, I'm patting my own self on the back with that, because I specifically do this for entrepreneurs. For the entrepreneurs, for the culture, so that we understand the importance and the relevancy that we have and that we play in this world, and how to leave our mark, as I posted the other day. As entrepreneurs, as speakers, as entrepreneurs, it is our responsibility to leave our success mark here in this world. So it's another Work For It Wednesday. That's what we do on Wednesdays. We work for it. We can't be haphazard. We can't be mediocre. Mediocrity is not acceptable here in the Brand New Suite. That's why we have all of these. We come together with these insights, with the insight, with the wisdom, and the ideas that we create here, because we're going to be 5 steps. Not 2 steps. We're going to be 5 steps, 10 steps ahead of everybody else, whether it's in your particular industry or whether it's in life, whatever it is. We are going to be beyond extraordinary. We don't do mediocrity here. We just don't. It's not acceptable. So let's hop on in. Y'all know what we've been talking about this whole week. What we've been dealing with. Y'all know what we've been dealing with. Game over. Game is absolutely over. The digitalization versus traditional industries, and where we're going in this 21st century. This 21st century way of doing things that we do. Where are we going? We talked this week. We talked this week about e-commerce. We've talked about social media and communications. But today we're going to talk really quickly. I need y'all to lean in real quick. We're going to talk about. We're going to have the conversation about financial technology and banking. We talking about the money today, y'all. Show me the money. What movie is that from, y'all? What movie is that? Show me the money. But here's what we're going to talk about. We're not going to talk about money per se, but here's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the how technology is shaping the way we do banking, shaping the way we do our financial services that we get offered. And as an entrepreneur, you always want to be cognizant of where your money is coming in, where your money's going out, but you also how to bring the money in. How to bring the money in. How to bring that money in, and then how it can be sent out expeditiously. Because in this digitalization era that we're in, this what I call the digital revolution that we're in, things are done faster. things are moving faster. Money can be exchanged within minutes. That's where we are, where money can be exchanged in minutes. You can go to an event. If you're an author, you can go to an event, and they have these devices. You can take your payment right there, whether it's a credit card, whether it's cash, someone wants to pay. There are numerous ways now, multiple ways, that you are able to take your payments, get payments. You can, here's the beauty of this 21st century, y'all. I can be right here in Baltimore. Someone in Africa can buy my books, can buy my products, can buy my services. And we can, if it's a product, they can buy it, I ship it, they get it within a matter of days. Done. All automated, all systematized, and the payment is there, y'all. It's become that kind of fast-paced world that we're in. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the disruption that has happened. I want you to understand this. Take a look at the disruption that's happened, right? I want you to understand this. Financial technology, and this is like PayPal, Square, Robinhood, have revolutionized banking, payments, and investments. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all those again. Y'all know them: PayPal, Square, and Robinhood, which is an investment type of thing that you can do. They've revolutionized banking and payments and investments. Traditional banks face competition from these agile, tech-driven companies offering innovative financial solutions. That's where we are right now. That's not even saying where we're going to. And they have, some banking systems have where they call it a wallet, where I think people rarely carry cash on them anymore. I may have a couple dollars on me or something like that. I'm sure you might do the same thing. You might carry a couple dollars on you, but for the most part, we're not carrying money on us. All of our stuff is done online. All of our payments are pretty much done online. And as an entrepreneur, you've got to be savvy enough, financially savvy, so that you understand how you can operate more efficiently. And you, not only from your standpoint of having to pay bills, but more efficiently in being able to receive income. If you have these systems in place, where it's like, whether it's PayPal, whether it's Square, whether it's some of the other ones, they're different with us, Cash App. There's different ways of being able to take payments, and you've got to understand. You've got to be able to make sure that your company is able to do those types multiple different ways, because some may be able to do PayPal, some may not be able to do PayPal, or some may feel comfortable doing PayPal, some may not feel comfortable doing PayPal. It's all, but you want to have at least a couple of different financial technology solutions to be able to gain your payments, to be able to take payments with people, even online, even with your website. You want to ensure that there is a way for your consumers to be able to pay right there online. And the more efficient that you are with this, the less money you leave on the table. And we're not about leaving money on the table here in the Brand New Suite. We want you to get all of your coins. We want you to have every dime that you are supposed to have, and we want you to have it faster and more efficiently. That's the name of the game with this digitalization versus traditional industries. That's what we're looking at. Is in this digital era that we're in, this revolution that we're in, it's making us more efficient. It should be making you more efficient. If it's not making you more efficient, then there's an issue somewhere. So you want to take a look at at the systems that you're using, the payment systems that you're using. And are they antiquated? You know, are you writing out of a receipt book? Or do you have a way in which you have a system in place where you can do, like I said, online, where people can go. And I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with doing the traditional way, but what's happening is you're becoming more antiquated, and like I said, you're leaving money on the table. And we don't want you to do that. We want you to have the most the greatest products and services that are available to people, and we want them to be able to have the convenience of being able to pay you the fastest way possible, so that you can keep it moving, they can keep it moving, and everybody is happy. They come back again and again and again, because that's what the more efficient you are, the more they come back again. I promise you. I'm saying again, the more efficient you are, the more they come back again and again and again. And part of that efficiency is your payment processing. So let's take a look at the new model, if you will, that you might want to consider and think about. And that is, you know, banks are adopting digital banking platforms, mobile apps, and AI-driven customer service to remain competitive. That's what the banking system is doing. And that's why you can do the online banking. You can have like I said, the banking wallet that they call it and everything like that. And they're also even collaborating with financial technology startups through partnerships and acquisitions. And that's a common strategy that they're using. But I just want you as an entrepreneur to be well versed in the financial piece of your business and how you can move more efficiently in this digital revolution. Because the revolution is happening, y'all. Televised or not, it is happening. And I want you as an entrepreneur to be a part of that digitalization. I don't want you left behind. There may be some things that you can still use, have a slight hybrid, if you will, where you're doing some things the traditional way. But for the most part, I want you to be able to be more digitized. I think that entrepreneurs need to be more digitized, need to be more efficient, need to be as automated as possible. I get it. I got my issues with automation as well too, because if something happens with the automated system, then what? You got to go back to the old school. Because I remember this real quick. I remember working for the hotel system, Marriott, and different hotels, and it's all the same thing. But when our system would go out, and that happens. It's not a matter of if it happens, it's when it happens. The system goes down. We had to, what's up, D? We had to revert to the traditional way of doing check-ins, check-outs, the rooms being cleaned. All of it had to be done manually. We had to do it manually. Checking in what rooms did we have available. We had a sheet that we would work from. Checking in someone, we would have to use the old credit card machines, to get an imprint of the guest card. So you have to have the ability to be able to do things the traditional way in order to be able to be efficient sometimes. So you better know how to do it. Because if something does go down with your system, same thing with your bank. If the banking, the way that you take your payments, PayPal, Square, Cash App, if that goes away for whatever time, what means do you have in order to be able to still stay efficient? And that's what I want you to be able to do today. I want you to take a look at your financial technology that you use. Take a look at the financial technology that you use and the banking that you use. And understand Okay, how am I taking my payments? Do I use PayPal? Do I use Square? Do I use Cash App? And how efficient your business is using those those means of payments for you to come in to take payments. And honestly, ask yourself, do you have more clients that pay via, one way or the other? Is PayPal the only means that you use, or is Cash App the only means that you use? Is invoicing the only means that you use? Do you have an invoicing system that you use? How efficient is that for you? How is that working for you? Take a look at your financial system, your financial technology, and how you're using it, and then ask yourself, how efficient is it? Do you need to do some tweaking? Do you need it? Hey, is PayPal giving you a better percentage rate than Square? So I'm going to push my client way, not where you don't have all of the options, those tools in your toolbox, but you push them more towards, whichever one is going to give you a lower, maybe a lower rate, or even which one is faster. I use Square because I know it's a lot faster than PayPal. Square also, both of them allow you to be able to do invoicing. But Square, I like using Square, one, because it's faster. It gives me the ability to be able to do the invoicing. And it's a lot more automated for me. Boom, email, it's gone. Sends out reminders, all of those things for me. So you have to take a look at that for yourself and see which one is more efficient for you, works for you. And you may use QuickBooks. As a system to be able to generate invoices. Whatever financial technology you're using, I want you to take a look at it today. Take a look at it and see how efficient it is. That's the homework. Yeah. You're going to work for it. You want to be efficient, you're going to have to work for it. Work for it Wednesday. So that's what I need you to do today. That's what we're doing today on this Work For It Wednesday. It's your boy, Dr. Leroy McKenzie Jr., the Impact Builder. Don't forget, hop on over to the YouTube channel. 500 subscribers in 30 days. That's all I need. 500 subscribers in 30 days. Go over. It doesn't cost you nothing. Go over, hit the subscribe button. Become a subscriber to the channel. Check out all of the content that we have there for you. It's there for you, and it's there to make you better by the end of the year than you were at the beginning of the year. Don't forget, we're here to make sure that your doors stay open. If you want to go further, like I said, into what we're talking about this week with the digitalization versus traditional, where we can actually do a deep dive into your processes and systems that you're using. Don't hesitate. Connect with me. Y'all know I put the information, how to connect with me in the description there. You can always do that. Reach out to a brother. We will definitely connect with you. This is all a part, like I said, of the entrepreneurial briefcase for you, so that you can be, you can operate and unleash your entrepreneurial excellence. Don't forget about the book too. If you check my page, and I'm going to put the information on how you can pre-order the book, Unleash Your Entrepreneurial Excellence. It's coming, y'all, but I need you to pre-order it first so you can get it. It'll be out. It'll be coming soon. So I'll put that in the description as well, too, so that you can be able to order that. Phenomenal book. I can't wait for you all to be able to read it. I wrote it with you all in mind, and giving you the ability to be able to unleash that entrepreneurial excellence that's inside of you. It's your boy, Dr. Leroy McKenzie Jr., the Impact Builder. We will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.